So the assigned dollar value to unplanned outages, lost sales, avoided service calls, and shortened service calls. I cannot stress how important that is enough. Um, if you work for a retailer, or if you work for where I work at now, we have to show a business case. And if when I used to work for a retailer, I went and worked with our finance department to come up with a cost per measure. And Pete was Cuneo was saying the other day that he's done the same thing with his clients. If finance is not involved in those initial discussions, they won't believe the numbers you present to them. So let's just say a compressor goes down, and you sit down with finance and you say, this is why I think that each one of these compressors failures is worth $10,000, or whatever the number you come up with. Finance says, I don't believe it's $10,000. I believe it's $5,000. Okay, that's still a number. Let's work with that number. But if you don't have those discussions with finance until after the fact, they'll derate it to zero. There'll be no truth in that number for them.